Alright, this is a 2018 Chevy Traverse Premier, and it has the Redline Edition package on it. So you're going to have the LED daytime running lights, black bow tie on the front, and there's a forward-facing camera as well. Then you're going to have the Redline Edition rims that are black with that red accent stripe. And then wheel locks. And the black and red Traverse emblems on the side here. You got the black leather power passenger and driver seats, and these are the premium full coverage floor liners from Chevy. Has navigation, backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated seats, cooled seats, 2 USBs and auxiliary 12 volt. And there's a wireless charger. Terrain management, and right beside that is your lane change assist and traction control. You have the garage door opener, LED map lights, OnStar, and there's your dual SKYSCAPE panoramic looking sunroof. It's proximity entry on all 4 doors, second row captains. There's those premium floor liners. It's full coverage, it covers every little crevice. And then for the second row, they have heated seats as well as climate control. And then you have the 110 outlet and 2 USB ports. You pull the handle, you can slide the seat forward to get into the third row. And you can see the liners go all the way to the back as well. So there's your third row. There you go. Reverse parking sensors. Got the black chrome accent throughout the back everywhere. Push button powered lift gate. Got a really large storage compartment here, and the spare tire is underneath that. And then you have black chrome down the side. And then for the door, driver door here, you'll see the driver memory seating, power windows, locks and mirrors, power liftgate button, BOSE audio, 36,612 miles. Cruise control, heated steering wheel, forward collision alert. And then on this side you have the Bluetooth. Automatic high beams. Automatic headlights on and off. There's your push button start. So it has the navigation. So you have this backup camera view, and then you have the camera view in the mirror as well. And you can turn this on or off by pulling the tab here. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then forward collision, front pedestrian detection, reverse parking sensors, rear cross traffic alert, and lane change alert. And then the key has remote start on it. And then you have a little secret compartment behind here that you can lock in valet mode, and there's also a port back there for your phone.